Get ready to have some fun. Firefly Lodge is the ultimate private getaway where the entertainment never stops. Firefly is a private entertainment retreat designed for big families, friends, and celebrations of every kind. From the moment you arrive, the only thing on the agenda is to relax, have fun, and make memories that last. Inside, the home is warm, inviting, and filled with space to spread out. With multiple living rooms, a custom kitchen, gas fireplace, and a bright, open layout, Firefly Lodge is the perfect place to settle in and enjoy time with the people who matter most. At the heart of it all is the private indoor pool. Heated and ready, no matter the weather. Enjoy year-round swimming. Unwind in the outdoor hot tub. Challenge friends to a game of pool. Gather in the living spaces for movie nights. Or simply spread out and enjoy a home where fun comes naturally, rain or shine. A spacious master suite offers a peaceful escape of its own, featuring a beautiful bathroom with a double vanity and a large walk-in shower. The entire lodge is spotless, well cared for, and ready for you to make yourself at home. Firefly Lodge is also fully pet-friendly, so your four-legged family members can enjoy the retreat right alongside you. And with Penns Creek's trophy trout waters, golfing, hiking, kayaking access, and the Susquehanna River just a short drive away, outdoor adventure is always within reach. Located in Lewisburg, Pennsylvania, and close to Bucknell, Bloomsburg, Susquehanna, and Penn State University, this home is an ideal gathering spot for university events and annual family gatherings. With easy access to I-80, it's a convenient, central meeting point for guests traveling from all directions. Rain or shine, weekend or weekday, Firefly Lodge is your place to recharge, celebrate, and return to year after year. Experience entertainment. Experience connection. Experience Firefly Lodge. Book your stay at roughcutlodge.com.